What I want to try to do is this right here is basically this up here. So this is this. You just don't have a fret here, it's an open note. So what you want to try to do is take this pattern and imagine that there's a fret here. Okay? And what you do is you take this, which is this, and you move it. And you can move this whole pattern that you just played here anywhere. Okay? Now the key with this, with learning modes, is to understand, is to know the pattern. So when you took this and you moved it down here, for example, you can continue it just regularly as though if you know the fretboard. So for example, see what I just did here? There. So what you're basically doing is taking this whole shape that we just played, and moving it. Okay, and that's what a mode is. So you can play, this would be your root, and this would be your root as well. So if somebody was playing in the key of B, you would move to here. I'm still in this shape here, I'm just moving a little bit to this shape. And that's basically what a mode is on the guitar. You want to kind of start it like this because you want to learn the pattern, and then you can transfer the pattern everywhere. It's kind of like a power chord. You can take the power chord and you can move it. You can also move this shape. You can start with this one, you can start with this shape. And that's basically what you're doing, is you're moving shapes. Once when you try to learn this, you want to try to learn all of the notes on the guitar, just without the sharps or flats. So for example, this would be E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and it goes back and repeats itself once you get to the 12th fret. And it's the same way with the other ones. It goes in ABC order, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it goes back to A. So here's another string and another example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And that's basically how I used to teach modes and scales when I gave guitar lessons. What you want to kind of understand is that there are that these things are shapes at first, and once you understand that they're shapes and that they can all be moved, and that learning the neck is just learning these shapes and then moving it. Then you can combine different modes together. And you get kind of a jazz type thing with it. And I'll have the tablature at the end of the video showing you where to go. But just what we just played. But just remember, B's and C's are together, and E's and F's are together. So if I say E, F, they're right next to each other. G, there's a space. A, there's a space. B, there's a space. Now we get to B and C. B and C's are together. C and D, C, there's a space. D and E. And then E and F are together. And that's how you learn the fretboard. So for example, here's another example. Let's do this, the third string here. A, B, C together. D, E, F together. G. And what you want to kind of do is just learn it diatonically. I just basically A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then once you understand how to do that, and you learn the notes just diatonically, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then you can take and you can start moving it, and you can start, makes moving it a little bit easier.